In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to send a clean transfer invite without confusion. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to transfer. Make sure you're the current site owner or have full permissions. Otherwise, you won't see the options we're about to use. From your site dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Permissions and Ownership. This is the hub where you manage contributors, roles, and ownership for your website. On the Permissions and Ownership page, choose the option to invite people to edit the site, manage permissions, and transfer ownership. This opens the contributor invitation flow. Next, click Invite Contributor to bring up the invite form. In the invite window, enter the email address of the person you're transferring the site to. Double-check that it's a valid, active email, because Squarespace will send them an invitation they must accept. If you mistype the address, you'll likely see a message that says something like, "Must be a valid email address." If that appears, simply correct the email and continue. Now adjust their permissions. Open the role or permissions dropdown and set their level appropriately. If you see a toggle or checkbox to transfer ownership, enable it here so the invitation specifies that this person will become the site owner. Remember, ownership includes access to billing, domains linked to the site, and other sensitive settings, so only transfer to someone you trust. When everything looks right, email entered correctly, role selected, and the ownership transfer option enabled, click Invite. Squarespace will send the invitation to the address you provided. If you don't see any errors, you can close the invite dialog by clicking Close. The invitation will appear as pending under permissions until the recipient accepts it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Let the recipient know to check their inbox and spam folder for the Squarespace invite. Ownership won't change until they accept. If your site uses a custom domain, confirm whether it's managed through Squarespace or a third-party registrar. Ownership of the website and domain are related but managed separately. It's also a good idea to review your billing details before sending the invite, since ownership transfer impacts who controls payments. That's it. Your ownership transfer invite is on its way. Once accepted, the new owner will take over, and you can adjust your own role or remove yourself if that's